Winter weather calls for hearty stews, pasta dishes, meaty entrees, but how about changing things up this year and trying something Irish? Well, we invited one of Ireland's most loved chefs, Kevin Dundon, to share some modern Irish winter recipes with us. Welcome, Chef. Thank you for being here. Oh, so happy that you're here. Okay, we are going to start with a traditional Irish dish that you've added a modern twist to, right?
Yeah, so we're famous in Ireland for doing kind of comfort food. So we've got bacon here, so bacon and cabbage, which you've probably all heard of, right? Yes. So I'm using a loin of bacon, okay? So you guys at home can use the Canadian back bacon, similar to what we use at home. But what we're actually going to do is we're going to do this beautiful glaze. Okay, on it. Actually, you're going to do the beautiful glaze.
I'll make that glaze, so you tell me what to do.
Half of that cider, so that's an apple cider, okay? So it's Irish
just
cider.
Right here?
In there.
Okay, half of that. Okay.
There you go. And then you've got Irish mist. Now, Irish mist is a whiskey liqueur, an Irish whiskey liqueur. So it's like whiskey and honey mixed together. Okay. So you don't have Irish mist, a good Irish whiskey with, there you go.
Irish mist, I've never heard of that.
And then we've got some honey.
Some honey, all right.
Your spoon.
Thank you.
And what we've done here with the bacon is we've actually steamed that, so for about 45 minutes.
Okay.
So it's already cooked. So basically you're just going to glaze it and you're going to cook it all the way through. So I'm just going to put a little bit of salt, or pepper and salt on that.
All right.
Have you been to Ireland, Ben?
Yes, I have, as a matter of fact.
Nice
I went years ago. My family's from County Carlow.
Oh, that's only an hour from my hotel, Brownie House.
There you go.
The sunny southeast. So I'm just going to...
so we glaze that up.
Glaze that. And the trick here is that we're going to put this into the oven at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes to get nice.
But through the magic of television, Kevin.
Yeah, so I have one done already, obviously. So, but I keep that glaze beside the oven and I keep brushing it all the way through, okay? So every 10 minutes.
Every 10 minutes, so you just go and you just add another layer.
You can see that. Look how beautiful that is.
That is gorgeous.
And then always, just before I take it out of the pan, I just kind of roll it, okay, just get that nice glaze. We're just going to leave that to the side. Yeah. And we're going to make mashed potato. This is like,
how can I help here?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we've got buttermilk and butter. So if you add those. Okay. And I'll mash.
All right. Salted butter or unsalted?
Oh, salted Irish butter.
Okay.
Really important. And you can either, buttermilk is quite nice to use because it kind of gives that little bit of mystique to your food.
Yeah, okay.
But other than that, you can use full.
You want me to do this? I'm pretty good at this stuff.
Are you?
Well, I mean,
go for it, man.
Yeah, this I can do. Yeah. I can help with this.
No, not really.
I'm not.
Sorry, Ben.
Oh my God, that was.
No, go for that.
That hurt. Okay.
There you go. Okay, in with some scallions.
Okay.
Okay, and that just kind of gives a little bit extra flavour to the mash.
Okay.
So I'm going to plate this up. So if you want to bring that mash over to the side.
Do you have a favourite type of potato to use?
Yeah, I like a rooster potato. So in Wexford, we're famous for potatoes in Wexford.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
You really do you want me to get me off air or something? Okay, so we've got some cabbage then.
Okay.
Okay, now you can do a spoon.
Okay, do I need a spoon?
No, you can use that.
Yeah, here, look, I got this.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
So where do you want this? Right inside?
Right inside there. Okay. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Okay, and then we have...
Look at that.
3 pieces of bacon on top there. And a little bit of streaky bacon.
For garnish.
Just for garnish. And then just a little bit of pepper over top.
All right, I'm going to take a bite of this. Yeah, I'm going for that. Heck yeah. There we go. Oh, we only have about a minute left. Oh,
that's perfect, because we're going to finish off with this beautiful trifle. Go for it. Now, you have to say it's amazing, so.
That's right. That's coming with me.
Okay, so we have this amazing trifle, okay? So think about it, right? You've got chocolate brownies, you've got raspberry jello, you have raspberries and beautiful custard. We're going to top it off with some whipped
Of course,
cream.
well, because we need that, right? To lighten it up.
Of course, yeah.
Wow.
Look at that. I mean, Ben, they asked me when I was coming on air.
Is this in the book?
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's in the book. Okay, good.
Will we do a small portion or a big portion? I said
a big. Yes.
Go for the chocolate, okay?
Okay. Okay, well, we have about 15 seconds left, so I got to go. You got to, there we go.
And there's your spoon. Okay, look at that.
All right. Boom. Chef. Oh, my God.
So hopefully we'll see you in Ireland soon. You can taste this.
Amazing, Chef. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You can find these recipes on our website.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.